Welcome to video 2 of 3 on how to solve the Rubik's Cube the easy way. Your first step, you should be this far where all the white is correct and the secondary color matches the centerpiece. And in this video we're going to fix these and even get as far as this, so where all you have left is the bottom cross to fix. Okay? So let's show you how to do that. I'm going to show you an algorithm to fix these 4 pieces. You're going to have to memorize it, but it's kind of tough, but not really, so just tough up and memorize it. Okay, so we need to find a solution piece. The solution piece will have 2 stickers only, no yellow and no white, and it'll be found up here. Okay? Every once in a while you'll have no solution pieces up here because all of them will have yellow. If you have white up here, you did something wrong. You need to go back and redo the first video. So this is a solution piece because it has no yellow and it's in this cross. This isn't yellow, this isn't yellow. And this is how you set up that solution piece. You make sure this top color, red, is matching the centerpiece, red. We can either plug it here or here. This color is green, so it's going to be the solution piece that goes right here because this center is green. This is the algorithm, which is just a series of moves to get a desired result. Okay? So you'll twist this face up, over, down, back, grab this side and go up, over, down. There you go. It's the same move to fix it on this side, except for same algorithm, but the opposite way. Let me show you what I mean. Let's see. This one goes over here. Okay? So look up here for something that's no yellow. This has no yellow. It's orange and blue. We know it's set up correctly because this is orange and this is orange. We know it goes over here, right? Because this is blue and this is the secondary color. So again, front face up, over, down, back, and you just go like this. See if we can find one that goes this way. Here's a solution piece. Look, 2 colors, 2 stickers only, no yellow, and of course no white. Set up orange, orange. This one wouldn't be correct because this is yellow, even though it's crossed like we want it. And this solution piece has to be adjusted to where these 2 colors match. Center color and this color. It's going on this side because the secondary color is green. Same move we just did, but the opposite way. And again, you'll have to memorize this. You may need to write notes to memorize it, but you'll get it. Don't expect to get it the first night, but up, over, down, back, grab this side, up, over, down. There you go. You'll get real quick at it. This may look blurry, but you'll just be like this. Okay, now we have this hole solved. The next step is to do this. Take it from just these 2 layers to getting these fixed. It's easy. Okay? Now this is kind of hard for your eyes to understand, but you want to look at these 2 squares, all 4 of these actually, and find a set of colors that match that are not yellow. And what I mean by that is you can always find a matching set if you look for yellow. We don't want that. We want any color besides yellow that matches. Like these 2. Red. Now you might have the red sticker here, and then the one red sticker here, and that's fine. And you can have yellow in these. You're going to have yellow in all these. But the important thing is they're right next to each other, not diagonal. So what you do is when you have 2 next to each other, rotate the bottom 2 layers, until it lines up with the red face. Okay? So what I mean by that is eventually we're going to flip these until they look smooth, you know, like that. Okay? Now, what you want to do after that, you just don't worry, don't look at this for a second. Okay, a lot of times you'll have a scenario like this where red, you know, you got your set. In this case it's red, but these need to be swapped, right? Because we know the center two colors are blue and red, but it's red, or excuse me, is green and red, but this is red and blue. See how this has to go over here because green, and how this has to go over here because it's blue. This is how you swap the two. Okay? You go up, over, down, up, over, down, up, click it back in, down. Then you have to twist it once, twice. Okay? This just happened to fix itself in the mix, but the important thing is all these colors match. This is where it's eventually going to go. See how yellow, green, red. Okay. After you got those set correctly, you turn around to the total opposite side, like this. Okay? And check out these. These happen to match. You know, all three of these colors are where it needs to be. So does this, but let's pretend it doesn't. Okay, so our set of colors is orange this time, right? And we have it up against the orange face, but we know that this and this need to be swapped, because if we look, we know that the cube that goes here, our solution piece, needs to have yellow, of course, because the center is yellow, and it also needs to be orange and green, but this is orange and blue, or green and orange is over here, and vice versa. This, whatever goes here, needs to be blue and orange, right? Blue and orange. So we need to flip these two. So the way we're going to do that again is the same way. Up, over, down, up, over, down, up, over, down, flip twice, once, twice. That just happened that it fixed these. You know, most of the time it'll look mumbled jumbled like this, and this is how you fix it to look pretty like this. Now this cubelet's in the right space, you know, right color scheme, but we need it to look like this. Okay, so this is what you do. You always have to do this algorithm I'm about to show you, where this corner piece that's messed up is in your right hand side facing you, and this is the algorithm. Now it doesn't always solve it the first time you do the algorithm. A lot of times you have to do it several times. In the algorithm, we're just going to keep on watching and doing this algorithm until yellow stickers up top. We go down, over, up, back. That didn't fix it, and I know it messed some stuff up, but keep on doing it until yellow's up top. I'm going to do it again. Down, over, up, back. I'm going to do a little bit faster. Okay, there. Then what you do, I know this is messed up, but don't worry about it. Find the other piece that doesn't have yellow on top, and you can do it up to 4 times if all of them are messed up, and do the same thing. Down, over, up, back. I'm going to do it a whole bunch of times. I know this isn't fixed, but it'll fix it. See? Then you simply match up the colors, and then watch the next video to figure out how to solve the remaining pieces.